Don't be late. The Queen awaits.
Today, we're taking you inside for part one, stepping out onto the iconic Promenade Deck to uncover the rich history, stunning craftsmanship, and the legendary atmosphere of this grand ocean liner. On the RMS Queen Mary, the Promenade Deck was one of the ship's most prominent and luxurious areas, functioning as a wide, covered passageway that almost completely encircled the superstructure. Now, when I walked onto the ship, this was by far one of the most impressive areas of the ship. When the ship was converted into a World War II troop carrier, the Grey Ghost, blackout paint was applied to its windows, and the luxury promenades were packed with tiered bunks and extra equipment to help transport over 800,000 troops. Today, on the permanently docked ship in Long Beach, California, the Promenade Deck serves as a central hub for visitors, housing for ticket booths, historical exhibition spaces, and access points for the famous ghost and paranormal tours, and the entryways to the ship's grand historical areas. In this display, you see the SS Oregon. The Oregon was a record-breaking British passenger line acquired by Cunard in 1884. After serving as a Royal Navy cruiser and later colliding with the schooner ship near New York, thankfully with all the passengers and crew saved, the ship sank. Today, the wreck rests off the Long Island coast for scuba diving, or you can view this model, as you can see here, on the Queen Mary. Thanks for coming aboard today. Be sure to hit the follow button so you don't miss the next episode. Long live the Queen!
The Queen!